Visualization is like painting a mental picture of your ideal life. It's a powerful tool to help you clarify your goals and desires. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello, my name is Danu Goueth. I am a confidence and mindset coach. I am a mom, a wife, and a former stay-at-home mom. My mission as a coach is to empower women over 40 to build unshakable confidence, overcome limiting beliefs with ease, and achieve extraordinary success so they can live the life of their dreams. Welcome to the fourth episode of the Mind Renovation Series. This episode is called Designing Dreams. Today we are going to talk about visualizations and goal settings. If you find this topic interesting, then keep on watching. Before I start today, I would highly suggest, if you haven't done so yet, to go watch the previous episodes so you can follow along and understand what am I doing here. This is the Mind Renovation Series, and to make it more fun, I compare everything with a home renovation. So let's get started. We are still in the home renovation process, but today let's be a little bit more specific. Let's say that you are renovating your kitchen, for example. Before you start the process, the first thing you're going to do is to envision what the space will look like after you're done, right? So you're going to think about what the color scheme would be, the layout, and the appliances, what type of appliances you're going to put there, right? This guide or this vision will serve you as a guide throughout the renovation process. Similarly, in your personal life, visualization involves imagining your ideal life, what career you want, what type of relationships you aspire to have, what personal growth you aim to achieve. By visualizing these goals as if they have already happened, you are creating a picture in your mind of the type of life you want or what you want to accomplish. Let me put it this way so you can understand better. Visualization is like painting a mental picture of your ideal life. It's a powerful tool to help you clarify your goals and your desires. By vividly imagining your dream life, you can clarify your goals and desires, as I mentioned previously. You can also focus your mind on what you want to achieve in life. You can overcome limiting beliefs and negativity. You can also boost your motivation and confidence. Now, let's talk about goal settings. We are going to use the kitchen as an example again. When we are renovating a kitchen, we set specific goals such as installing new cabinets, upgrading the countertop, painting the walls. These goals help you break down the renovation project into manageable tasks. We do the same thing in our personal growth journey. Setting goals means defining specific and achievable steps to reach our desired outcome. For example, if your goal is to improve your mental well-being, you may set goals like practicing daily gratitude, find a way to overcome stress, or seek help or therapy if needed. Setting goals in mind renovation is like setting milestones and deadlines for a home project. Just as you plan a step-by-step task to renovate your home, setting specific and achievable goals can help you track your progress along the way and also help you focus on transforming your mindset. All right, beautifuls, as usual, I'm taking a little moment to acknowledge you and ask you a question. My question for you today is, what goal or dream have you been putting off, and what prevents you from achieving it? Write your comment or your answer down below. I would love to hear from you. I also would like for you guys to like, subscribe, and share all my videos with people you think might benefit from them, because I feel like there are so many people out there who need to hear whatever I have to say. I'm happy to help. Quick reminder, I am a confidence and mindset coach. So if you're looking for a coach to help you cope with some challenges in life, challenges might be you are stuck in your life right now, you don't know what your purpose is, you feel desperate, feel that you are undervalued at work, and you feel like you are aging and you don't know how to embrace your age, your body, you have body shaming, all of those things. If you need a coach to help you cope with them, click the link down below so you can book a free assessment call with me. From there, we will determine if we are a good fit for each other, or if I am the good coach for you. So if you are also a jewelry lover just like me, click the link of my boutique down below so you can shop around. I am sure that you're going to find something that fits your needs. I just want to remind you that in my boutique, we don't sell jewelry only. We have a little bit of everything. So I'm sure you will be able to find something for you. But if you still want to shop, but you are already on Poshmark and you prefer to stay there, that's okay. I am on Poshmark too, so you can just click the Poshmark link down below to join me there. All right, beautiful. So let's conclude our fourth episode of the Mind Renovation Series. Today, we talked about visualization and goal settings. So by combining visualization and goal setting, you are creating a roadmap to turn your mental dream house into reality. Just like a well-designed and organized home can bring comfort and functionality, a clear vision and purposeful goals for your mind can lead to personal growth, fulfillment, and bring success in various aspects of your life. Thank you so much for watching this video today. As usual, it was a pleasure recording it for you guys. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. This is Danu Goueth, always empowering you to unleash your inner sparkle. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.